The line at Caesars opened at -5.5 for the Lakers. It was -6 when the news came down about Gobert. Now the number is 8. Meanwhile, Kendrick Perkins was on First Take yesterday saying stuff like this.
The Lakers are going to the NBA Finals. When you look at the Western Conference and you look at if they potentially match up with the Memphis Grizzlies, they're going to beat the Memphis Grizzlies. They could beat any team in the West, including the Memphis Grizzlies and the Phoenix Suns and the Golden State Warriors. So when I look at them and what they've been doing over the last 2 months, I have them going to the NBA Finals.
Perk has them going to the NBA Finals. As I sit down and make a list, I can count at least 6 teams in the West that I could make a legitimate argument I could see coming out of that Western Conference. So if one of them has these 2 guys, I guess I understand the logic of picking them. It's what he said. What do you say?
It makes sense. It makes sense. I think differentiating factors at this point, to me, are experience and I would say momentum. And certainly the Lakers are the leaders in terms of momentum, how they've looked since All-Star break, the way Anthony Davis is playing, who I believe is going to have to be the key cog if the Lakers are going to get this done. He's shooting 57% from the field since All-Star break, averaging 26 points. Back in the bubble, he averaged 28 points, shot 57% from the field, but led that team in minutes played as well. And so if Anthony Davis is playing at that caliber of basketball that puts him in that MVP class, then yeah, the Lakers are a problem because LeBron James is not going anywhere.
I want to give credit where it is due because I have been critical of Anthony Davis and his seeming inability to put the team on his shoulders the way we thought he might when he first came there to join LeBron. He has done it. When LeBron went down with the foot injury, whatever it is now, 6 weeks ago, we said, and candidly, I laughed at you guys. You were all like, this is a chance for Anthony Davis to carry them. And honestly, in my mind, I'm thinking, they're dead. They're done.
Jeez,
forget it. I did.
I get it.
Because I
get it.
didn't believe in him. And he has made a believer out of him.
He has. And so I think now, can they build upon that, right? And so, yes, Perk is looking at a Memphis Grizzlies team that's a little bit wounded. I think this Timberwolves team is limping into this playing game. I'm not concerned with them. And then you see who they would draw after the Memphis Grizzlies. The case is there, but I think I'm not confident in any particular team coming out of the West right now. It's just been that tight.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.